Yeah, design and sizing is very important when you're trying to choose a solar system. So we would first off look at their premise or the property. We'd look at their energy usage and how much power they consume. We'd ask them a series of questions looking at their future consumption, and then we look at their budget, and then we can start to determine what size system would best suit their needs. So yeah, we would also look at things like the shading, the type of roof, what brands they're interested in, or if they're after a battery or just straight solar. It certainly does pay to pick the right expert to do your solar install. So again, you're paying for quality, you're paying for someone with a strong and solid reputation.
And we ask people, send us your bill pre and post solar. Let us have a look at it for you. Let's see if we can identify more ways that you can save, be it through a better or a higher feed-in tariff, higher self-consumption of solar in your property. It might be a couple of little tweaks, that's all it takes, and all of a sudden they're saving even more money. So as well as designing your system for you and installing it, we'll apply on your behalf to have your system connected to the grid. We'll take care of the rebate paperwork for you. We'll arrange for your net metering or your solar meter to be installed for you. I think a lot of people are time poor these days and they just appreciate someone doing the hard work for them, and that's what we really pride ourselves on doing. I just love quality. I hate chucking stuff out. Both of our bugbear actually is waste. We hate waste. I hate seeing useful stuff being turfed out after 5 years when it could last for 25 years. We just prefer to install good quality stuff once and then it's done, and you don't have to think about it for the next 25 years.
I think another important factor is customer satisfaction. When you put in the good quality stuff, customers just generally feel more satisfied.
The STCs, or the federal government rebate, is available on any solar power system, and I always say to people, choose wisely, because you only want to put it up once. You don't want to have to pull it down after 10 years. And the rebate shrinks every year until in 2030 there's nothing left. So the sooner you get it, the sooner you start saving, but also the bigger the rebate you get.
Definitely, yeah, with the government rebate there, it's only going to decrease over time, so the best time to go solar is right now.